The last thing I really like to do with Google Classroom is a question. So let's get back to our Google Classroom. Go to those 9 boxes and then the classroom icon. And then you're going to click on the class you're working on. I'm working on 4th grade reading right now. And I want to go, the stream is just like all the stuff that is happening. But I want to go back to classwork because I want to give them an assignment. But this time it's going to be called a question. So if I click create right here, I'm going to go down to question. And let's say the question from our book is, why do you think Sean, I don't know, rode his bike? This doesn't even make sense, but okay. If this is the question you want students to answer, and then you can change how they answer. You can make it multiple choice or you can make it short answer. It probably depends what you're working on, how you want them to answer. But with this,
please call Nurse Galvin at 418. Thank you.
With this, you can have students see each other's answers as they're answering. So that's why I really like the question assignment. Okay, so then over here we can say it's ungraded, or you can make it however many points. You can tell them when you want them to do it. Let's say we want them to do it today. And then if you click ask, that's when it's going to post it to the group. Or just like before, I can say schedule it. Let's say I want it to be, must be scheduled before September. Okay, so let's say I want to schedule it. Must be scheduled for the future.
Tyler Conley, please come to the office. Tyler, to the office, please.
Okay, and then you would just click that to schedule it and then click ask. Down here, you can have students reply to each other, which I have on right now, and then you can have them edit their answer. Let's say they realize they spelled something wrong. They want to go change it. If you don't click this, then they can't change it. So I like to have that on just in case. And then when you're ready, you can click ask or you can schedule it. If you want to add like a website for them to look at, you could do that here to add a link, or if maybe there's a video you want them to watch before they answer the question, you can add those in here. So you would, let's say you wanted to add a YouTube video. You could go down to YouTube and then you would type in the URL and the picture would pop up with the video. Click on that and then click add. So that's how you do that. If I'm ready to ask it, I can push ask. And then it will be on the stream for kids to see. It says I posed a new question. When they click on that, they'll come right to the question. And then all of theirs will just be written in a bunch of, different comments, and then they can reply to each other. So that's a question.